Okay, so we're going to go over the conversations section inside of 360 and go over the different areas inside the conversation. On the left hand side of the screen, you'll see the conversations tab. We're going to click on conversations. And then once you get in here, this is what it'll look like. Mine's a little bare because I only got a couple of contacts. So, but we'll use this for example purposes only. Um, so I really want to kind of go over what this piece really is used for. This is kind of like I want to say like a conversations hub. This is where you would see any type of information or type of kind of dialogue going back and forth between you and a contact that's inside of your 360. So the conversations can be held via text message, um, email, they could be through your social media. Um, all of that stuff will be held in here. So whenever you get any information or some type of dialogue that would have been started by your contact, it will show up on this left hand side here, and they'll be marked as one or two things that they probably sent, or it'll be marked as multiple things, however many things that they sent, with a number and then this blue box or blue circle around it. You'll have the contacts information or how they contacted you, along with the symbol of how they contacted you. So this right here will be your text message. This right here, let me show you what this looks like. This will be your email. This is a text message here. It's not letting me click on it. Okay, text message. This would be a social media contact. So there's somebody that contacted you via DMs. This one would be as well. All right. So that's for that section. You can, it'll default to go to unread messages only. So these are only the unread ones. These are recent messages. So that will be all of them, all of your most recent ones. Anything that you could have starred. So let's go back so you can see what that would actually look like. So you go over here to this area on the right upper right hand corner here. If you start this, you see the star will pop up. You can use that kind of like as like a reference to go back to remember to go back to, or it's something that will be important to revert back to later on. That will be here. And then I'm sorry, that will be listed under starred, but you would also that would be listed under the starred. So anything that would be starred would go under the starred category, of course. And then you would still be able to follow it if it was a recent notification, or if it was an unread notification, so you hadn't opened it yet. Um, then we have our all, which is every point of contact that you received, or every notification that you received from anyone from your contacts. Right. So in the middle here are all of the conversations that you had with that particular contact. So either whether it's by text message, phone call, by um, email, by DM messages, all of that will be listed in this middle section here. You will see all of that. On the right hand side, we just have the information from that client, which will be their email address, phone number, who the contact is assigned to specifically inside of your 360 account. So anybody that you have listed in there, you can put their contact, their name, and attach it to this specific contact. And then let's see, we are tags. You can add a new tag to this contact here. Other than that, the tags would be listed if they're automatically listed before, or if you had tagged them in the contact section of 360. This section right here would be the active automations. So any automations that you have that will be assigned to this contact that would be listed here. And then we have our do not disturb section here. So you'll see any form of contact that could be blocked would be checked off on this right hand side. On the bottom here, we have our inbound SMSs. We have our pretty much like a timestamp of the last form of contact. All right. And then up here, in this section up here at the upper right hand corner, we have anything. We can have this as archived. This message could be archived as well. You will have our start message. You can start or unstar this contact as well. You can mark it as unread or read. So if it's closed, it will be read. If it's open, it's unread. You can also trash for our trash can as well too. And then here you can go to our filters and you can filter out what part of the conversation that you want to view as well too.